All you people out there that have a dull knife after having them sharpened here maybe a month ago or whatever, and since they're not open anymore, well, let me just show you something. Now, I'm pretty sure everyone's got these stones. This one has got the fine stone on one side and of course the heavy stone on the other side. You can see the difference if and when you want to buy one. This side here is for getting a quick sharp on it, and then you turn it over and then you do a honing on this side. So these are the knives that are, you know, just really dull. Then you can get these round ones. They're the same all the way through. They're kind of a medium stone, so you can buy them too. But what I was going to say was, if you've already had them sharpened and you've used them a few times and you notice they're starting to get a little dull, well, it's not going to hurt a thing, because there's a certain angle that you hold these, or I should say that the knife sharpening people hold these, which is, you know, way over here on the edge. But when we're at the house and we just need to get just a sharp knife until they open back up again, you can hold it at a steeper angle. You don't necessarily have to lay it flat. And then another thing, a lot of these knives nowadays, just so that they seem to cut better, is they've got these serrated edges, and there again it's the same thing. You don't have to lay these at a certain angle, because all you're trying to do is just get a sharp knife. So you want to raise them up even at a steeper angle also. Put the stone on a piece. This way it won't slide around. Take your knife, run it. I'm going to do this at a little steeper angle than normal, but just to kind of show you. And you want to try to take use of the whole stone. Turn it over. Give it a few. Doesn't matter if you turn it up a little bit. And you don't want to push extremely hard either, because you don't want to wear your stone out. Now if it's really dull and you want to get a sharp on that, use the rough side first. Turn it over. Come to the hone side. And that's usually all it takes. And the best time to do it is right after you wash them. So whether they come out of the dishwasher or you wash them by hand, whatever the case may be, go ahead and run it across your stone, even just like, and that's it. And you've got a sharp knife again. I mean, you'll be doing it more often than you normally would when you get it back from the sharpening people, but hey, if it'll cut a tomato, that's all you really care about, being able to cut stuff up. Alright, well, I sure hope this helps y'all. I know we're going through a number of days, nothing open. Oh, and one last thing, just be sure to wipe it off with a paper towel, or of course the best thing to do is rinse it off. There's going to be very little grit on there, but some people might be sensitive to it.